Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fashion, Beauty, and Wine. Hold up. Let's rewind it back. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Simply Crystal. I changed my name up on y'all because we had to do something big for the 2020. Guys, I can't believe it's been 4 months since the last time I talked with you all. We are in a new year, like Happy New Year. A lot of things has happened since the last time I saw you guys. I mean, we got Kobe, the Australian Fire, Meghan Markle, and Prince Harry said bye-bye to the English throne. And I mean, we are currently going through a pandemic right now, something that has literally affected every single one of us on this planet Earth, if you are living on Earth right now. It's crazy. It's crazy. What is going on? What is going on? Firstly, I'm so happy to be back on this channel. If you all are wondering where I've been at, well, I have been working. I've been busy. I have a lot of jobs, including 2 YouTube channels. I just recently started a new YouTube channel. It's called Crystal Nail Journey. It's basically you guys following me along my nail journey. So I do all different types of nails on that channel. I have discovered I absolutely love doing my nails. I find it relaxing and meditative, and so I decided to start another channel. Like, I think it's so fun. So I've basically, taught myself how to do acrylics and gels and poly gels and all of that good stuff. So if you all want to see me on my nail journey, I'm going to leave the link right below in the description box, and I'd love if you can go over there and show me some love. So what else? Why did I change the name of my channel? For so many different reasons. Number one, I didn't really want to be restricted for what I post on my channel. I was finding that it was really hard to just talk about fashion, beauty, and wine because I'm so much more than that. So I wanted to kind of revamp my channel so that I can do everything that I like to do and not just restrict it to fashion, beauty, and wine. I also changed my name because I find that wine and I don't kind of go together anymore. I find that I get extremely sick when I am drinking wine. Even if I take a sip of wine, I am getting extremely sick. And I don't know if I'm allergic to wine. I don't think I'm allergic to it, but while I love wine, and it kind of hurt me to say goodbye to that, I'm just slowly but surely trying to wean that from my channel. Another reason why I changed my name is because I have been having a lot of trouble with makeup in my eyes. I noticed probably like 7 months ago that when I would put on makeup, my eyes would become extremely irritated. They'd be red, they'd get dry, they would start running, they would be sore. So I stopped wearing makeup for a while, and then I started back wearing makeup just to see if it was the makeup. And guys, I discovered that I might be allergic to makeup. This is actually the second time around that I'm filming this video. I had to wait a day in between refilming the video because my eyes were so red. Now, I don't know if you all noticed, but like they're still a little red, but they were extremely irritated yesterday, and they'll probably be irritated tomorrow because for some reason my body is just like telling me we don't like the stuff that you're putting in it. And guys, when I initially started this channel, I thought that I was gonna have a lot of fun talking about beauty and wine, and then my body stopped me and said, hold on, you ain't doing nothing with me. You're gonna stop putting all these foreign chemicals inside of me and get it together. So I'm trying to figure things out because I have a lot of makeup. Now, in today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this look, and I am using a lot of products. Most of the products that I'm using are gonna be from Pat McGrath. If you haven't already read the title, there has been some drama with Pat. I've broken up with Miss Pat as well, and we're no longer in a relationship anymore until further notice because she's just been doing the most lately, and I'm kind of over it. If you all want to see me recreate this look and you all want to know what is the drama that I have with Miss Pat, then stick around and keep watching the rest of this video. Guys, I really don't know what happened. My sound was off, and so I really didn't get any of the first footage, but for my foundation, I use the Pat McGrath Deep 29 Skin Fetish Foundation. I also use her concealers. I use D29, MD24 for concealing. I'm also using D33 for contouring, and then I also used her primer. I actually haven't contoured yet, so I'm gonna actually use this contour. Don't pay too mind to this lace front. It is just like coming up right there, and that is okay. I'm breaking up with Pat McGrath because I have had it up to here with her launches. I've probably participated in about 6 of her launches, and I will let you know that all of them have been trash. I'm getting to the point now to where, like, my money is very valuable to me. I work very hard for it, and if I'm supporting you and I'm spending my hard-earned money on your brand, and you're turning around and you are making mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake, then I'm eventually going to choose not to support you. And so that's where I am with Miss Pat McGrath. I was very irritated with the last launch that I participated in. The last launch that I participated in was her concealer launch, and I purchased 2 concealer sets. I purchased the brushes, and when I received my package, nothing was right. I received no apologies from her, and so after that last time, I just decided, okay, I'm done with supporting her brand for now. I just don't want to move forward with supporting brands that don't appreciate their customers. Like, we're the ones that pay your bills, we're the ones that support you, we're the ones that literally put food in your mouth, and we end up being the ones that suffer. And so I'm not feeling the Pat McGrath brand anymore. I spend so much money on her brand, over $5,000 on her brand, and I could just do a lot of other things with that money. That's not to say that I'm not going to use up the products that I already have, because I don't believe in throwing away my hard-earned money, but I'm not going to be supporting her moving forward. And that's not to say I will never support her, but, like, I don't know, right now I'm kind of cool on her. I'm not interested in rocking with her anymore. She needs to clean up some stuff with her customer service and the way the team treats their customers, and until they do that, I will no longer be supporting this brand. Now, I love it that she is a Black billionaire. She is doing the damn thing. She's an inspiration to us all, but you know, if you don't look out for the small person, I have nothing to do with you. So that's my little rant about Pat McGrath. So right now I'm using the Pat McGrath setting powder, and I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, you know, all the areas that you need to set. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more because I plan to do my eye look, and I just don't want to get any fallout. Oh, and by the way, love the concealers. Love, love, love. They are just super thick, super rich. Yeah, love them, love them. Good job with the concealer. Now, I will say that the concealer brushes are not it. They are not the business, but I will be using them to conceal my eyes, like my eyelids. I think they're good for the eyelids, just not underneath the eye. Like, I need something bigger. I actually bought her 2 bigger brushes. They were like fake foundation and concealer brushes, and I actually like those a lot better. Like, here they are. I actually like this one a lot better for underneath the eye. These are her brushes, and I've used them, as you can see. The concealer brush is the smaller. So these are the 3 brushes. So I actually prefer this one for the under eye. Okay, now I'm taking my P. Louise base, and I'm gonna put that on my eye. And guess what brush I'm gonna use? You guessed right, the Pat McGrath brush. Something about luxury brands where it's just like, you guys can't get away with the same thing that, you know, a cheap Morphe would get away with. Like, you can't. People spending a lot of money on your brand, then you need to pull out the red carpet for them. And that's why I loved Barney's New York, because I mean, they just pulled out the red carpet for their clients. Like, you think that Barney's New York is gonna mess around with those clients that are spending, you know, $500,000, $600,000 a year? Hell no. And that's my whole thing with Pat. Like, girl, you got people spending You got people spending rent money on your products. You need to send them their stuff when you're supposed to. Be half shipping. So I'm actually using another item from one of her launch. I think that this palette was launched the day after Christmas. I don't remember, but anyway, I was up first thing in the morning to get it. I got it. So I'm taking the color Tranquility, and then I'm putting that right in the crease of my eye. I am using that as a transition color. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush. I'm going to dip into the color Prosperity, and then I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye and create almost like a V shape. Smoke that out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is dip into the color Lotus Luxe, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Ooh, love that. Now I'm gonna dip into the Eternal Opulence, and then put that right in the center of my eye and blend that upwards. Now what I'm gonna do is go back into Tranquility, and I'm gonna smoke out underneath my eye. I'm gonna get a thinner brush, go back into Prosperity, and then I'm gonna go into Lotus Luxe. I put that right there. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and then I'll come back on camera. I didn't do my eyelashes, but I did my eyelashes. I halfway did them. I haven't put on eyelashes, but I did my eyebrows. So now what I'm gonna do is go into the Pat McGrath pressed powder. It's in the color Deep, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eye, because this actually is like a brightening powder for me. But I actually don't have any bronzer from Pat, so I'm actually gonna go off camera, do my bronzer, and then we will do our, I guess we'll do our highlighter and our lipstick, and then we'll finish everything off. So I just decided to do the rest of my face off of camera because none of the rest of the products that I'd use were Pat McGrath, so I didn't really feel a need to film it. But if you are interested in knowing what blush or highlighter or lipstick that I use, I will post everything down in the description box for your pleasure. Now, I had a great time creating this look. I hope that you all had a lot of fun seeing me back on camera. We got a chance to connect. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to post them down below. I want to see what you all think. Like, what's going on with you? Like, how have you been affected? Let me know. What are you doing to keep busy and occupied? Really like to know that. Just as a reminder, I do have that second channel. I'm going to post it right here. Yeah, so this is my second channel. I'll also post it down in the description box, the exact link, so that you all can go right on over and subscribe to that channel. So I want to thank you all again for joining me today. If you all like this video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching and you're not subscribed, take a little moment and pose you right on over to the subscribe button and press the subscribe. And if you're feeling froggy, press the alert bell so you can be alerted every time I post a new video. I'm also on social media. I'll leave my socials right here. Let's connect. Let's be friends. Let's get to know each other during this pandemic. Thank you all again for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.